In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom skill with Claude. By the end, you'll have a focused, reusable setup that guides Claude to act like a specific expert so your conversations become sharper and more productive. We'll demonstrate this by creating a skill that reviews Node.js code with an eye on performance, security, and scalability. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Claude new chat page. This brings you to a fresh conversation where you can define how Claude should behave. Think of this as setting the ground rules before you start talking. Beginning from a clean slate helps the skill respond consistently throughout your session. Next, look to the left side of the interface and click the plus icon. That plus sign creates a new space for your custom skill. It's a small step, but important. Working in a dedicated new chat keeps your instructions neat and prevents older context from influencing the behavior you're designing. If you ever switch skills later, starting with a new chat is a habit that keeps results reliable. In the message box, type the instruction that defines your expert role. For this example, enter, "You are a senior backend engineer. You review Node.js code for performance, security, and scalability." This sentence is your skills foundation. It sets the expertise level, clarifies the domain, Node.js, and names the 3 priorities you want Claude to focus on. Strong skills start with clear intent like this. Keep the language direct, avoid ambiguity, and be explicit about the lenses you care about. If your work often involves certain frameworks, deployment targets, or constraints, you can include those in the wording as well. Just remember, the tighter the brief, the more targeted the guidance you'll receive. When you're happy with the wording, press submit or hit enter. That confirmation tells Claude to lock in the role you've defined and respond accordingly. From here on, any code you paste or questions you ask will be evaluated through the lens of a senior backend engineer specializing in Node.js, with special attention to runtime efficiency, secure patterns, and scalability concerns like concurrency, resource usage, and architectural choices. To get the most from this skill, keep your follow-up prompts specific. Paste real snippets, describe your environment, and mention performance symptoms or security constraints you're observing. You don't need to restate the role each time. The instruction you submitted remains the guiding context. That's it. You've created a custom skill in Claude and you're ready to review code with a clear professional focus.